Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you my most favorite finds from my last Dollar Tree trip. There is some beauty finds, some candle finds, some Christmas stocking stuffers, lots of fun stuff to share. Let's jump right in. I did pick up a candle, and this is from the Luminescence brand, and it's in vanilla. It's just a 3-ounce candle, and it is in a mason jar. It smells amazing in the jar. I love those. And randomly found these SpongeBob pencils. You get 6 in here, and they come in 3 different designs. Really fun, colorful erasers. I love SpongeBob. Let's pick those up for him. They had lots of fun Christmassy finds today. First off, they had a ton of different socks, and they always have a crazy Christmas sock day at school. So I found him this pair that says Winter Cheer and has a polar bear on there. And I really love that they are knee-high socks, and they have like a candy cane print also on them. They had lots of cute socks. They had some really cute gnome ones as well. I found this Make It Blocks block storage case you can use this with your Legos. And Connor loves the little minifigures, and my idea with this is that you can put heads in one, bodies in another, arms and legs, all the pieces to his Lego men. He likes to break them up and mix and match them, and he can build on top of it as well. So I thought this was a really good find, and it's made of like sturdy plastic, and they only had the red and blue. But for $1.25, if you know a kid who likes Legos, this is a great little cheaper gift you can pick up. And we found some blind bags today at Dollar Tree. It's called Fab 5, and it has 5 surprise toys in here. So they get 5 little surprises in here, different toys, and I thought that was really neat. And they also had some name brand blind bag stuff today as well. So he loves Sonic as well, and we picked him up 2 of the Super Clip charms, and you get 1 surprise charm in here, and they're like little clips for your backpack, or whatever you want, wherever you want to clip them. And there is 8 different ones to choose from. So for $1.25, you can't beat this find, and it being a big character, and they are keychains as well. I found some fun kind of beauty finds today. I picked up this scrunchie, and I love that it's like teal and cheetah or leopard print on there. Nice and stretchy and big. And I just loved this hair tie. So pick that one up. I also needed some acetone nail polish remover. So I picked this one up from the brand Luxury. And it is a nail polish remover with convenient pump and 100% acetone. They also have these in non-acetone, and it's for natural nails and a spill-proof pump. And this is 8 fluid ounces, so 2 more ounces than their regular nail polish bottles or nail polish remover bottles. And you get a pump. So I like acetone nail polish remover, especially when I'm using nail art stamping or doing nail art stamping. This, along with the nail polish remover, is a repeat purchase. These are the Ioni lashes in Natural Light Wispy. These are gorgeous. I love this style, and they are perfect for my eyes. So pretty. I picked those up, and a few new LaColors finds at my Dollar Tree. I found the LaColors Roller Lip Gloss in Mint, and I'm excited to try this. I do have their coconut rollerball gloss, and I love that one. And this one is in mint, and I'm excited to try this. And I also found they had all the scents at my Dollar Tree for this Pout Potion lip oil from LaColors. The only thing is, it does have little fine iridescent glitters in there. It's pretty. That probably won't show up too much on the lips, but that's okay. It's just a lip oil, and I also picked this one up in mint. Almost got, oh, they also had all the lip balms, the little slider jelly balms, all kinds of new LaColors stuff, but this is the only items I was interested in. I'm really excited for the mint products. And then last and final item I found at my Dollar Tree today, and this is my most favorite find, is this LaColors nail polish. They had these out obviously for Christmas. They come with a little nail file. Each shade comes with a different shaped nail file. This one has a star, this one's like purple, and packed with glitters. There's flakies, holographic, iridescent glitters in here. See, the camera can't even focus on this, but this is called Sugar Plum Fairy. It's called Sugar Plum Fairy, and it's absolutely stunning. I can't wait to wear this nail polish. It's absolutely gorgeous. Oh, and not to mention it has the purple round or hex kind of glitters throughout it as well, suspended in a clear base. The purple glitters make it look like it's a sheer purple base. But this was my most favorite find. They had blues and reds and greens and holographic silvers, all those fun colors, very holiday appropriate. The purple was where it's at. So this has been my most favorite finds from Dollar Tree. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Well, stay tuned for more Dollar Tree videos. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional Dollar Tree links. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more Dollar Tree videos.